would also like to request with the CDO sir, Mr. Surendra Nath Srivastav sir, please come up on stage. Upper Mukh Adhikari, Mr. Ashok Madesia sir, to please come up on stage. APRO sir, please come up on stage. Principal ma'am, Vasundhara ma'am and Sandhya ma'am to please come up on stage. Let's start the felicitation ceremony. I would like to start from the pre-primary section. From class nursery, we have the topper Advika Atri, who scored 97.33% in her class. Please give a big hand for her. Advika has a constructive outlook on personal growth and enjoys attending school and studying with a glorious smile with her peers. She is very talented and always participates in all the co-curricular activities also. I would like to request with the parents of Advika to come up on stage. Advika's parents, please come up on stage. Anamika ma'am, please come up on stage. Next, we have Bhavya Kumari Patel from LKG. She scored 98.67%. I would like to request with the parents of Bhavya to please come up on stage. Bhavya always comes to school with a creative thoughts, positive attitude, with alluring smile. She is a good dancer also. I would like to once again request with Honorable Director Ma'am of Degree College Aurora, please come up on stage. And Assistant Director Ma'am, Miss Rita Singh ji, please come up on stage. Next, we have Ayush Singh from UKG. He scored 98.25%. Ayush is a very calm and brilliant child. I would like to request with Ayush's parents to please come up on stage. And he is a smart and inquisitive student who loves to learn with joy. Congratulations, Ayush. Moving on to the next category. From class first, we have Ananya Singh. He scored 98.67%. Ananya is very well mannered and calm child. We are consistently impressed by his politeness and helpfulness. He is well behaved, respectful and courteous student. Moving on to the next category, from class second, we have Arnav Kumar, who scored 96.33%. Audience, please clap for them. आप ही के बच्चे हैं ये. Anand is a very well-mannered and a calm child. We are consistently impressed by his politeness. Next, moving on. In class third, we have two candidates, Ayush Kumar and Akshans Dixit. Ayush Kumar and Akshans Dixit both have scored 98%. I would like to request with the parents to please come up on stage. Parents of Ayush and Akshans. Ayush is very responsible student. His writing is very good and he asks questions frequently. Akshans is always ready to accept challenges and he has his own point of view about any topic. Congratulations both of you. Moving on to the next category, from class 4th, we have Sarthak Misra, who had scored 98.57%. I request with Sarthak parents to please come up on stage. Sarthak is very helpful and a brilliant child. He is a leader and participates in different activities. Congratulations, Sarthak. Next, we have from class 5th, Gaurika Singh, who had scored 97.43%. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Our little but all-rounder munchkin named Gaurika Singh tried and trying to prove this phrase and garner first position. Moving on to the next category, from class 6, we have Tanu Yadav. She scored 97.67%. I would like to request Tanu and her parents to please come up on stage. Tanu, is she present? Having a bashful nature with a marvelous mind, she attained the first position and proved to not judge book by its cover. Moving on to the next category, from class 7, we have Brijesh Yadav, who scored 98.5%. In class 7, I request with Brijesh's parents, please come up on stage. Brijesh Yadav has a strong attitude towards fulfilling the dream of himself and his parents and proving that education cannot be taken away from you by achieving the first position. Congratulations, Brijesh. Moving on to the next category, from class 8, we have Nancy Singh. I request with Nancy and her parents to please come up on stage. Nancy scored 98.38% in class 8. Nancy, if you can hear me, please come. Parents of Nancy, please come up on stage. Live as if you were died tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. These lines have been proven by Nancy. Moving on to the next category, from class 9, we have the topper Arya Bajaj, who scored 94.20%. Arya, I request with parents of Arya to please come up on stage. Congratulations, Arias. He's a very talented child. Moving now to the class 10th board results. We have two toppers with equivalent percentage. Anshika Keshri and Priyanshu Gupta, who scored 93.40%. I request with parents of Anshika and Priyanshu to please come up on stage. Parents of Anshika, Keshri and Priyanshu to come up on stage. प्लीज तालियां बजाने में कंजूसी ना करें।
वहाँ से एक लोग के हटाओ, थोड़ा सा लोग को साइड कर दो, खाली वहाँ से एक लोग हटाओ जो मोबाइल में लेगा ना हम लोग को।
From class 11th, stream wise topper we are giving. From 11 maths, we have the topper, Kriti Singh, who scored 86.57%. Kriti Singh, please come up on stage. I request the parents of Kriti to please come up on stage. She is also the head girl today of our school. Congratulations, Kriti. Next, from Bio, we have Sukriti Singh. She scored 83.73%. Sukriti, please come up on stage. I request with parents of Sukriti to please come up on stage. She possesses the required caliber and ability to hold this position. Sukriti. Next, from Commerce, 11 Commerce, we have Neha Chauhan, who scored 85.77%. Neha Chauhan, please come up on stage. I request the parents of Neha to please come up on stage. Next, from Humanities, we have Pallavi Singh, who scored 83.23%. I request the parents of Pallavi to please come up on stage. Congratulations, Neha and Pallavi. Moving on to the class 12 board results. From math stream, the topper is Harshita Gupta, who scored 89.80% in class 12 board result. Harshita, I would like to request with you to please come up on stage. आपकी तालियां क्यों बंद हैं? तालियां तो बजा सकते हैं आप लोग। From bio, we have the topper Zeenat Fatima, who scored 93.40. She was our school topper also. Ladies and gentlemen, please give her a big hand. Zeenat Fatima. She was the school topper. She is very calm and brilliant student, and she is a smart and inquisitive student who loves to learn with joy. Moving on to the next category, from 11th Commerce, we have the topper Kumari Pallavi, who scored 83.60%. I request with Pallavi and her parents to please come up on stage. Pallavi's parents. She always sits in the classroom in a very calm and cool manner and only focus on her studies. Congratulations, Pallavi. Our next category, from class 12th Humanities, we have the topper Shivam Yadav, who scored 90.40%. I request the parents of Shivam to please come up on stage. Okay, alone he came, no problem. It's time now to announce the toppers of Degree College. From BSc Maths, we have the topper Priya Chauhan. Priya Chauhan, who scored 76.94%. I request with Priya and her parents to please come up on stage. She is a very hard-working girl. From BSc Bio, we have the toppers Salma Bano, who scored 76.72%. Apart from studies, she is very good in sports and other co-curricular activities. Congratulations, Salma. Moving on to the next category. From Bachelor of Arts, we have the topper Sonam, who scored 72.94%. I request with Sonam and her parents to please come up on stage. From Bachelor of Commerce, we have the topper Sweta Srivastava, who scored 65.78%. I request Ms. Sweta and her parents to please come up on stage. This was our last category. ऑडियंस तालियां बजाइए जोरदार सब हमारे सारे टॉपर्स के लिए। Congratulations to all the toppers and their parents also. Congratulations to their teachers also.